Hey guys, ECRG here, and today we're going to talk about face-to-face workplace etiquette. Hey guys, ECRG here, and today we're going to be talking about face-to-face workplace etiquette. Now, when I first thought about this is part of the series where we talk about instant message etiquette, phone etiquette, and email etiquette / the tutorial we did there. So if you haven't seen those videos, I would check them out after this video. They're really good, and you may learn something. So check those out. But this is part of the series, and I thought that this was probably a silly video to make because a lot of people may know face-to-face workplace etiquette, but then I thought if it helps one person, it's probably worth it to make it. It may help other people as well, and you may learn a tip or two here when it comes to face-to-face workplace etiquette. And you know, humans are primarily social creatures. You have been interacting face-to-face for years now, and so you probably don't need too much assistance here, but there's a few things that I want you guys to really keep in mind, and you'll be able to benefit from if you keep in mind when it comes to the face-to-face workplace etiquette. So number one we're going to talk about is always smile and have a happy face when you're walking around the office. And this serves in many ways because, one, it allows you to be an inviting and friendly face to people around the office, so they'll always, when they look at you or when they remember you or think of you, they're always going to think about that happy smiling face. And people like to remember people in happier states rather than angrier states or sad states. So try to, if it's possible, to always have that smile on your face. And you know, you want people to remember you for, you know, being happy and upbeat rather than, you know, angry or sad. And that's gonna come back to really give you benefits and provide opportunities later on in the workplace. So the first one is try your best to have a smiling face. Second one that I want you to keep in mind is talk to people. And every conversation doesn't need to be a long, drawn-out conversation, but just saying hello to people when you see them in the coffee room, when you see them through the hall. After you see people a few times, I would recommend asking them their name, saying, hey, look, I've seen you a few times around here. I should probably get to know you because I'll probably be seeing you a little bit more. So that's a really good way to meet people in the office, and that's a really good way to network. We talked on this channel religiously about the importance of networking, both within the office and outside of the office. We've talked about strategies you can use both in the office and out of the office, LinkedIn, email, etc., etc. And you know, this is one of the best ways to network because they know you. They've seen you around the office. They know you work within the company. They may not know anything else about you, but it's a good way to get to know somebody. And I have gotten tons of opportunities that you would never have known about otherwise from just talking to people and you know, saying, hey, I'm such and such and this is what I do, and you know, the conversation starts. And you know, sooner or later they're asking you what you're interested in, and you find out, oh, okay, I know this position's opening up, you know, next month, you should apply for it. Or I know the director of this department, maybe you can talk to them about getting into this opportunity or something like that. And that just comes out from like casual conversations, you know, going up and getting some water in the coffee room, going to get coffee in the morning, and you know, just people seeing your face around, and it has benefits. That's actually one of the downsides of working from home. We're going to do a video on that here too. But one of the downsides of working from home is not getting that face-to-face with important players in the company. And so this is where you really can capitalize on being in the office, getting that face-to-face interaction with people, and being open to many opportunities that you wouldn't have even dreamed of just by saying hello to people and having that smiley face. So second one, say hello to people. Now, the third thing I want you to keep in mind when it comes to workplace etiquette is everybody is not your friend. So I know this kind of goes against that, you know, happier vibe and meeting people and networking with people. But you also need to keep in mind that people are very conniving. They operate behind each other's backs, and they always want to CYA, cover your ass, or cover their ass for that matter. So you've got to be careful with, I don't want to say revealing too much, but you just got to be careful, because people at the end of the day are there for their own self-interest, and you don't really want to get hurt by it, or someone throws you under the bus for something, and you've just got to be careful. So know that those risks and those risks are out there, that people are going to be trying to do that, are going to try and do that, and position themselves above you to better take advantage of opportunities. But as long as you have a smiling face, that should protect you about that, because they're going to say, oh, John is always happy, he's always nice, he's a pleasure to have around the office, and they're going to remember that when it's promotional time, and to say, oh, he's a joy to work with, and all good things about that person. So I think the other two tips can help protect you from that. If you're talking to people, they're going to say, oh, this person is really nice, he went out of his way to talk to me when he really didn't have to. And if you always have that smiling, happy face, but just keep in mind that not everybody's going to have your best interests at heart, and that's okay. That's okay. People have their own issues to deal with, and have their own hopes and dreams and goals that they want to follow. So that's okay. We all have our aspirations that we want to bring to fruition. So those are the three tips I have for you on face-to-face workplace etiquette. And I think those are some good tips. Maybe you can write some comments down below, some tips that you may have on workplace etiquette. And I think we'll have a good discussion here on what good workplace etiquette is. If you guys have any other ones, drop them down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this with all of your friends, and don't forget to become a part of the notification squad by hitting that bell. You'll be notified every time we release a video. YouTube is screwy sometimes. Sometimes it unsubscribes you from various channels when you didn't unsubscribe from them yourself. So that's why it's important to hit that notification bell, so you will know for sure whenever we release a video. And email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com if you want to become part of the resume review program, if you want to sponsor any of the videos, etc., etc. Any business inquiries, shoot us there. All right, guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for a video coming soon. Take care.